What's up everyone? Welcome back and thanks for checking out today's video. I do have to apologize in advance. I am on a busier street than normal and there might be a little bit more background noise that occurs from time to time, but hopefully it is not too loud and you can still hear what I'm talking about. We're out here today to do another product installation, but as you can see, this is not my Jeep. This is actually a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport that we're going to be borrowing today to do the product installation on. One of the perks to having this YouTube channel where I install aftermarket parts on my Jeep is that sometimes I get approached by brands who are looking to see if I'd be interested in one of their parts in exchange for making some video content for them. Unfortunately, one of the challenges I have with this is that I only have one Jeep, and sometimes the part that they want to give me is something that I already have installed on my Jeep. So in that case, what I end up doing is I either end up looking for viewers of the channel that might be in the area, or in this case, I look for fellow 7 Jeeps members who have Jeep JLs and that might be interested in the part that I have available. Usually this is a pretty good deal for them because what it means is they get a free part in exchange for letting me use their Jeep for a couple hours. So the brand that approached us for this video is American Modified, and the product they sent us are a set of red lens tunnel LED taillights. These go for $169.99, and as usual, I will put a link below for you to go check them out for yourself. Because these are just taillights, and changing taillights on a JL is really simple to do, this should be a really quick video. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put these in the Jeep, and then we'll come back and take a look at how they turned out. As you can see, we have the taillights installed, and because these were plug and play, it was a really easy installation. The features for these taillights are, this is the turn signal as well as the brake light. The running light would be the outside band, would just be lit with the side marker up here lit. And then the reverse signals is these two white strips, which both illuminate very bright white light, giving you probably a little bit more lighting behind the vehicle in reverse than your standard halogen reverse light. Overall, the quality of these isn't that bad. There's some little minor defects around the edge that I wish could have been better, especially for $160 or $170. So I really wish they could have been a little better. Overall, I think they will last. I don't see a reason why they wouldn't, but definitely, you know, not a $400 taillight like I have in mind. Definitely a $170, and they still look really cool. So guys, at this point, I am gonna wrap this video up. If you have any questions or comments for me, feel free to post them below and I'll do the best to answer them. As usual, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And guys, keep evolving, and we'll see you guys on the next video.